Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Chevy Cruze out of theft mode. First, when your car is in theft mode, the security light will typically be flashing or stay on. To begin the reset process, insert your key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, but do not start the engine. Now, observe the security light on your dashboard. You'll need to wait patiently for this light to turn off completely. Once the security light has extinguished, immediately turn the ignition key to the off position. This completes one cycle of the reset procedure. You will need to repeat this exact on and off cycle 2 more times. This means turning the key to on, waiting for the light to go out, then turning it off for a total of 3 complete cycles. This sequence helps the vehicle's computer to recognize the correct key. After completing all 3 cycles, turn the ignition to the off position one last time. Then, attempt to start your Chevy Cruze as you normally would. If the car still doesn't start and remains in theft mode, turn the key to off and wait for at least 10 minutes before trying the entire 3-cycle process again. Ensure your car battery has sufficient charge, as a low battery can interfere with the reset. If your Chevy Cruze continues to be stuck in theft mode after multiple attempts, it might be time to consider checking for diagnostic trouble codes using an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner. These codes can provide valuable insights into underlying electrical or security system issues. If you're still having trouble, a professional mechanic can offer a more thorough diagnosis and repair. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.